Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. It's a pleasure to meet you too.
So, Sarah, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you, Alex?
I'm from the United States. That's great. Have you been to the States before?
No, I haven't had the chance yet, but I'd love to visit someday. Which part of the United States are you from?
I'm from New York City. It's a bustling and diverse city. What about Canada? Which city are you from?
I'm from Toronto, the largest city in Canada. It's known for its multiculturalism and vibrant food scene.
That's wonderful. I've heard great things about Toronto. So, Sarah, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to elementary school students. How about you, Alex?
That's impressive. I work as a graphic designer. I enjoy creating visual designs for websites and advertisements.
That sounds really interesting. I've always admired people with creative skills. What do you enjoy most about your job?
I love that I can bring ideas to life through my designs. It's fulfilling to see how visuals can communicate messages effectively. Plus, I enjoy the constant learning and staying updated with new design trends.
That's really cool. I can imagine the impact your work has in the digital world. Do you have any hobbies outside of work?
Yes, I do. I'm an avid photographer. I enjoy capturing moments and exploring different styles of photography. How about you, Sarah? Any hobbies?
That's awesome. I love hiking and being in nature. It's a great way for me to unwind and disconnect from the busy city life. I also enjoy reading books and trying out new recipes in my spare time.
Hiking sounds like a wonderful way to enjoy nature, and I'm always up for trying new recipes. It's great to learn about your hobbies, Sarah.
Likewise. Alex, it's been really nice getting to know you. Maybe we can continue this conversation another time.